During the lockdown period, DMRC staff carried schedule maintenance as per the signaling manual with limited number of staff. Due to easy availability of PTWs, or blocks, 6 monthly schedule maintenance, for points and tracks was advanced slightly, and completed before resumption of services for revenue. Signaling staff is required for carrying out some P-way works. During the lockdown, rail replacement work in Mundka City Park Station on Line 5, and Barakamba Road and Noida City Center on Line 3, section required track circuit disconnection, reconnection, and testing. At Line 1, on Reethala Station, points restoring works was completed with engineering department. Spring setting device was replaced with second drive arrangement at Sarita Vihar Station on Line 6. Since most of the trains were stable at depot, so nearly 336 trains on board signaling equipments were checked at all lines. On Line 7 and 8, which are recently commissioned, a survey was conducted to check rusting of covers of trackside units, cable laying status at cable hanger. In addition to this, signaling department has also done improvement works as per the Action Plan 2019 to 2020. The old LED units with separate current regulator deployed were replaced by integrated LED unit with built-in current regulator as per the new RDSO specifications. The conditions of assets on Line 1 and 2 is extremely critical, and in order to improve the earthing arrangements, new earth pits was installed, and copper-bonded steel conductor were used to connect with this earth pit. "940 numbers of relays used in track circuits were cleaned on Line 3. 65 old point machines were giving certain problem on Line 5 and 6. The new locking units were provided on these 65-point machines. Out of 2 versions DMI provided on Line 5, new 10 DMIs of model INC90 were provided. In compliance of deficiencies left over by project, 45-point machines' tail cables have been changed, and new cables have been provided. The operation and maintenance requirement is having OEM-specific labs. Messrs Nippon New OEM in Line 8, lab work started at Kalindi Kunje Depot during this period. PSD doors collect lot of dust. In order to stop the dust collection, PU foam spray was used for trial basis at IPE station. All 35-point machines in KIKD and SBL throw rods were changed with modified 1. As per the operation requirement, backup arrangement at OCC for Line 3 was to be improved. For this, ATS monitors have been provided. Theft is a critical issue, which is affecting operation continuously, and various methods have been adopted in order to protect the theft of cables. In this regard, CEL has demonstrated an anti-theft system at Hindon River Station of Line 1, which was witnessed by HODs, other official and staff of security, operation, civil, electrical and telecom department. On line 5 and 6, cemented S-bond has helped in arresting the theft, and therefore same is being used on other lines also. The suspected entry points were also provided by barbed fencing wire with the help of Works Department. Instead of copper S-bond at some of places, GIS bond has also been used so as to reduce theft cases. Signaling Department has also taken many new initiatives. MD, Sir, and DO Sir, during inspection in January 2020 on line 6 has asked for certain monitoring system instead of scattered system. The central monitoring system has been tested in line 8 and similar system was being installed at line 7. On line 3 and 4 for easing out maintenance, the signaling maintenance terminal provided centrally in Metro Bhawan has been additionally provided section-wise at Yamuna Bank, and Dwarka from Dwarka to Barakamba Road, and Barakamba Road to Noida City Centre, and Vaishali respectively. Status of track circuit of Line 3 station has been brought up in Noida Electronic City and is being monitored centrally. Track circuit of Line 5 and 6 were giving trouble due to temperature variations, therefore all track circuit units have been provided with thermal shield. Line 7 and 8, which are newly commissioned and operational with CBTC, unlike other lines where AFTC is used. These lines 7 and 8 cannot detect any broken rail fracture. As per the direction of MD and DO Sir, broken rail detection device is being developed using local vendor. Prototype testing was done in lab and it will soon be installed on line 7 and 8 for demonstration of concept. Locally stimulation software is being developed in-house to access failure effects, so as to find out placing of spares and staff at various locations. Due to lockdown, spares card supply has been affected, therefore for PSD of AEL rectifiers have been repaired in lab successfully. Directive maintenance of onboard ADP equipment through in-house DMRC lab activity at Yamuna Bank Depot by replacing SMD capacitors, 6C version of power supply card to improve availability for line 3-4 trains, has been 94% completed for 330 out of 350 NOS, 67 trains completed out of 71 trains. Lux measuring chamber was made in lab, to check LED modules and route indicators. SNT staff has been advised to take all precautions and maintain social distancing, and also been advised to perform yoga activities. At Bahadurgarh, special yoga camp was organized by manager of Line 5.